Welcome back to Next Ride Review, where we dive into the hottest rides on the market. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting sports cars for enthusiasts in 2025, the Toyota GR86. Toyota has once again delivered a masterpiece for those who crave performance, precision, and affordability in a rear-wheel drive package. This year's GR86 doesn't stray far from its roots, but that's a good thing. It builds on the strong foundation of its predecessor with a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine that puts out 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with a low curb weight of just over 2,800 pounds, and you've got a car that feels lively and eager every time you hit the gas. Whether you opt for the 6-speed manual or the 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters, the GR86 is all about engaging the driver. The styling gets subtle but effective updates for 2025. The sharp LED headlights and revised grille give it an even more aggressive look. The aerodynamics are refined, and functional vents on the front and rear enhance airflow while adding to the car's sporty character. Toyota also offers new wheel designs and paint colors, ensuring your GR86 stands out from the crowd. Inside, Toyota strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality. The driver-focused cockpit feels just right, with supportive bucket seats and a steering wheel that fits perfectly in your hands. For 2025, the infotainment system has been upgraded to an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a new 7-inch digital gauge cluster that changes display modes depending on your driving style, normal, sport, or track. Now let's talk handling. This car is built for the corners. With a low center of gravity, thanks to the boxer engine and lightweight chassis, the GR86 delivers incredible balance and razor-sharp responsiveness. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better stability, and if you're on a track, the limited slip differential ensures maximum traction when you're pushing the limits. Toyota hasn't forgotten about safety, either. The GR86 comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 in automatic transmission models, featuring pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. While enthusiasts might prefer the manual for pure driving thrills, the automatic adds an extra layer of practicality and peace of mind. What's impressive is how Toyota continues to deliver this level of performance without breaking the bank. The 2025 GR86 starts at just under $30,000, making it one of the most accessible sports cars on the market. There are 3 trims available: Base, Premium, and the limited edition Torino, which pays homage to the iconic AE86 with retro-inspired touches and unique styling cues. The Toyota GR86 is proof that you don't need a massive budget or a high-horsepower engine to have a great time behind the wheel. It's about the experience, feeling connected to the car, the road, and the moment. Whether you're a first-time sports car buyer or a seasoned enthusiast, this car delivers the thrills and smiles you're looking for. Thanks for tuning into Next Ride Review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars you love. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the manual or automatic GR86? Until next time, keep chasing those curves and enjoy the drive.